Okay, so we're looking at percentage increase and decrease. Now there are a couple of ways of doing this. You could find the percentage and add it on or take it away, or you could use something called multiplier. So I will do both ways. So we're going to find 30% of 65. So 30% of 65, I'm going to do, here we go, 65 divided by 100 and then times 30. Which is, let's have a look, 65 divided by 100 times 30 gives me 19.5, and then I'm going to do 65 plus 19.5, which is, where are we, 84.5. Absolutely fine, not a problem, or £84.50 actually, since we're working with money. That's one way of doing it. There is another way, using multipliers. Now, if I increase £65, £65 is 100%, right? And I'm increasing by 30%. So therefore, start with 100, I add 30, so I end up with 130%. So therefore, I've got 130% of the original. So what I'm going to do using multipliers is do 65 times 1.3, which is 130%, as a decimal, which gives me, and I'm just going to check, times 1.3, which gives me exactly the same as before. And oh, look how much shorter that is. Alright, ridiculously short. And actually, with this method, it makes a lot more sense with the multipliers, because you're less likely to make mistakes. There's less stages. Alright, so again, I will do decrease. So I'm going to find 4% of £150, which is 150 divided by 100 times 4. Oh, that's not very well written, which equals, I think that's 6 if my memory serves me correctly, times 4, which is 6, absolutely. And then I'm going to add it 150 plus 6, which gives me 156. Alright, not a problem doing it that way. Doing it the multiplier way, I'm decreasing. Also, oh, now you see, I've made a mistake. Should be take away 6, shouldn't it? So, because it's a decrease, so I'm just going to rub this out, and I should get 144. Alright, I do apologise. There we go. Now then, if I was doing a decrease, that means I'm going down. So I start with 100%, I'm decreasing by 4%, right, which means I've got 96% of the original. So all I then do is 150 times 0.96, which is 96% of the decimal, which also equals 144. To be honest, the reason I like multipliers, it becomes a lot easier if you're finding original amounts and stuff like that a bit later on. So it's up to you. Doesn't matter. Don't mind which way you do it. I just find that way easier. My blue way, my multiplier method, easier.